Hello everyone, welcome to the Latama Handlooms YouTube page. I am Chaitali and thank you so much for your great support and cooperation. And if you today I am going to show you our very exclusive batik sarees. We have own manufacturing unit or batik hand painting, block printing. So today I am going to show you our batik printed sarees in pure cotton. These cottons are not in mal cotton. These are handloom dark cotton, Bengal's cotton sari. And these sarees are without blouse pieces, 5.5 meter, and sari price are 950, and free shipping all over India. Cash on delivery is available only in Kolkata. And those who like our sarees, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for a regular notification. So let's start to see our sarees today. This is the first saree. This is not a mal cotton saree. This is tak cotton. It's a handloom cotton, tak cotton, and it has a own weaving satin border. It's small satin border, pink colored satin border in upper side, and lower side border is little bit thicker, and batik print design all over the saree. The same flower motifs all over the saree. It's very beautiful color combination, pink with yellow color combination, and floral buttas all over the saree. These are the batik printed, not the hand block printed. And this is the pallu. See, this is the pallu. It has a weaving texture in pallu. See the close look of the pallu. Okay. So this is the sari look. These sarees are the without blouse pieces. Sari price is 950. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And our WhatsApp number 7890721706. This is our next saree. This is the pink color. It's very unusual pink. Actually, the saree is colored than in dark cotton. And after that, we are doing the batik print on it. So the colors are very unusual. It's not too much bright colors, but very lightweight sarees, and very colors are very soothing colors for it's summer friendly also. And sarees are very lightweight. If you take one saree, then you can understand the quality and what I am saying. They very good in quality. And this is the pallu design. See, this is the Alpona batik. It's famous Bengal Alpona batik in pallu. It's a dark navy blue combination with pink. The pink shade is very beautiful, and it's actually the same color as you were seeing in the screen. This is very beautiful uncommon shade of pink with blue, and it's panel work design all over the saree. This Alpona design all over the saree. These sarees are without blouse piece. Saree length is 5.5 meter, and this is the pallu design. Saree price is 950. This is the pallu. Beautiful saree. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And free shipping all over India. This is the next saree. Both side border is dark wine colored with the off-white print on it. This is a wax design. This all these pattern design you can see. This is by wax we are doing. It's a batik print. This design is very beautiful. Middle part of the saree is this type of floral design. Middle part of the saree, and all over the saree going through like this. And this is the border design. Both side border. This is simple but elegant design. See the close look of this design. This is the border designs. Okay, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu. Beautiful and very smart one also. This is very smart saree. This saree price is also 950. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications. This is another saree. This saree is also have the small border in upper side. This is satin border in upper side, small border, and this is the lower side border. This is the sea green border. This is satin finish. See, this is satin finish border. And base color is also the saree base color is also light sea green, and then we are doing the batiks on it. So after finishing, the color combination looking very awesome. This is also one panel type design, and panel leaf flower motifs within panel, and the cracks in the middle part of the saree. Okay, and this is the pallu. See, this is the pallu. beautiful pallu in batik print, and after dripping it's look like this. Price is 950, and if you like this saree, please take screenshot. Another saree, this is also a very beautiful color combination of white, beige color and the crack all over the saree, and the leaf motifs, multicolor leaf motifs all over the saree in panel work design. This is also very beautiful color combination, and it has without any border. Those who like the sarees without border, they can grab it. And sarees are very lightweight and summer friendly. So and this is the pallu design, leaf multicolored pallu. And if you like the saree, please take a screenshot, because the sarees are without blouse pieces and single piece right now. We are doing the cotton batiks. We have started the cotton batiks right now. And if you like this, price is very friendly. So if you like the sarees, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Another saree is off white with red combination, and red color is very unusual shade of red. See the close look of the saree is red. Very unusual shade of red. The saree and batik print. There is full color guarantee. You can home wash the sarees from the first ones, because these are batik, and so many processing. We are doing so many processing, so there is full color guarantee, 100% color guarantee. You can wash the sarees from the first ones in your home. This is the pallu design. See the pallu. And middle part of the saree has this cracked batik all over the saree. Middle part of the saree has the crack design, crack batik, and both side border is beautiful floral motifs. So this is the saree look. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. This is another saree. The next saree is half and half concept. Upper half of the saree has this crack motifs with these leaf motifs. First half of the saree, there is no separate pallu. This is the pallu portion. See, this is the pallu portion, and there is no separate pallu in this saree. And it is half and half concept, and lower half of the saree have this single color. It's pink color pleats. So it's look like this. It's look like this. Its pleats portion is in pink, and lower side have this border. I can show you the pleat portion also. This is the lower part of the saree. Lower side of the saree has this border, and this is a half and half concept. See, this is the half and half concept of the saree. It's after dripping, it's look like this. After dripping, it's look like this. Okay. So this saree price is also 950. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot of that. The next saree, this is also very elegant color combination. It's dark green with a mustard yellow color combination saree. Both sides have the small borders. It has a crack batik in the borders. Both sides have the small borders. There is no separate pallu, but the design is very elegant. This is the motif in pallu, and this is also an half and half concept saree. So lower half of the saree, it's in dark wine colored pleats. This is the pleat portion, and in the border, the lower half border have the same crack design. So after dripping, it's look like this. After dripping, it's look like this. So if you like the saree, please take a screenshot, because the designs are very elegant, and it's very comfortable to wear in summer, and the price is also pocket friendly. It's 950 and free shipping all over India, so you can grab it as soon as possible. So this is the saree look. If you like, please take a screenshot. This is another saree, another batik printed cotton, taat cotton batik. So this is also one panel design with Alpona batik. The panel, middle part of the panel is crack design, and one panel in the dark navy blue with ornamental Alpona batik. And this is the figure collection saree. This is the pallu in navy blue. Show you the design. This is the pallu design, and these sarees are without blouse pieces. These sarees are without blouse pieces. So these sarees are 5.5 meter, and the saree price is 950. If you like, please take screenshot. This is another one saree. This is it's not, I'm already saying it's not small cotton sarees, but it's that Bengal Tat sarees. And after we are getting this colored Tat sarees, and then we are doing batiks on it. So this is another one. This color combination also very unusual kind of combination, also very elegant also. This is a dark wine color with off-white color combination. Ornamental design, both sides have border, have this ornamental design. But the sarees are very lightweight. It's very summer friendly sarees. If you take one piece, then you can understand the quality of the sarees. So this is the both side border, ornamental design of the sarees. And this is the ornamental pallu. This is ornamental pallu. See the close look, all the saree view. And this is the saree look, all over the saree going through like this. This is not a half and half saree. All over the saree going through like this. Color combination is very elegant. So this is the saree look. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. The last saree of this episode. This is the body color is grey. It's grey with dark navy blue color combination, and both side border is this dark navy blue colored border. Very unusual color combination, also very elegant. So this is a very lightweight sarees. All these are very lightweight sarees. I'm telling you again, this is all very lightweight sarees, and sarees are without blouse pieces. So this is sarees, and sarees are 5.5 meter, and this is the saree look. All over the saree, it has no crack batiks in middle. It's plain batik because this colors is a dual shade color of grey. When you get the saree, you understand the color shade. It's dual shade of grey, and the border is in blue, navy blue color. And this is the multicolor. Sorry, this is the blue with grey colored pallu design. Okay, this is the pallu, full pallu design. So if you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is saree look. Saree price is 950. Thank you so much watching our video till end. And if you like our sarees, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. And happy shopping with us. Bye bye.